Hello everyone. I am doing a video for my web programming and internet technology class. We had to create a business plan and then create a website so we can post it to the internet. My business plan is called Welcome to the World of Healing Through Cannabis Sativa. As cannabis sativa become legal in the United States, I am setting up a small company in the industry that promote the healing powers of cannabis sativa. My company will offer a range of different strains of cannabis from Haze, Sour Diesel, Acapulco Gold, Northern Lights, Purple Haze, Charlotte Web, Blue Dream, and etc. Because we will be creating so many different strains and have so many different strains. It will blow your mind. We also offer other products that include books and multimedia to teach you about the benefit of using cannabis. Cannabidol, CBD oil, pills, gummies, and chocolate candy we will also offer. Cannabis beauty and skincare products, plus cannabis beverages. In the near future, we will also promote products from hemp. So stay tuned. Please stay tuned, because this is a lucrative business that will blow up instantly. So I guarantee you I'll be back.